Hello and welcome to the AWS hands-on session. Today we are going to discuss about simple EFS architecture within AWS VPC. So we'll create an EFS file system and mount it in our EC2 instance. So let's see how we can do that. Stay tuned. For the purpose of the demo, we'll create a basic infrastructure which will consist of a VPC, two subnets, like two web subnets and two application subnets, along with an internet gateway, some security groups, instance roles and SSM endpoints. Along with that, we are also going to create some route tables. We are going to create two EC2 instances, and all these we are going to load it using CloudFormation template. I'm not going to discuss the CloudFormation template in detail. I will load it and will show you the complete infrastructure in a minute or two. So I'm here at the CloudFormation screen from the EC2 management console, and as you can see, this stack is getting created. It will take a couple of minutes to completely create all the resources inside this from this CloudFormation template. So I'll pause the video for now and so here I am at the CloudFormation resources screen. As you can see, all the resources have been successfully created. Let's check our EC2 instances, and seems that they are running. Okay, and now we'll move to the EFS file system screen. Okay, so from here we'll create an EFS file system. Click on create file system. You can give here some name. I'll put down some name like say test EFS. Okay, I'll select my new VPC, which is this one, and we'll keep it as regional. Click on customize from here. Okay, it will provide you some many options that you can select and customize. Make sure that automatic backup is checked, and lifecycle management is 30 days. Okay, that looks good, and performance mode is general purpose SSD. Okay, this is a default, and it's very good for most of the use cases, as it is very low latency and it's great for overall performance. We'll keep it as general purpose. Okay, and next is we'll focus on the throughput mode, which should be selected as bursting. These are the default options that are selected, but just we need to make sure that these are the correct ones. Okay, and next is the encryption. We'll enable encryption of data at rest. So basically this uses KMS to encrypt all the data optionally, and it encrypts all the data at rest from the end. Optionally, it allows selection of the specific key, so you can also select the specific key if you want over here. Okay, but we won't be doing it for our demo for now. We'll skip it. Okay, next, click on next. Okay, it will ask you to create the mount targets. So we'll select the SN web one second. Yeah, it's the web 1 and the up 1. So here here we'll select the app 1 and app B subnets. Okay, and the security group we'll select for this EFS instance. Make sure the default is not selected. We'll select for this EFS instance as the okay. So yeah, but just make sure that the correct VPC is selected. Okay, then click on next. You can skip this for now. This is optional settings for file system policy. we'll be doing it, and yep, click on create. It will create the file system in few minutes. As you can see, it has been successfully created, and it is available now. You can see it is since we have selected encrypted set encryption as enabled, it is showing the encrypted green tick over here. So standard size and all the information will appear. Okay, and the creation type, and it is a regional. Okay, so for that particular region, say like North Virginia, it is available. Okay. So next we'll log into the EC2 console using session manager, and we'll mount the drive over there. So I will connect to the first instance, which is instance A. Click on connect, session manager yes, and okay, we are logged into the AWS instance A. Will now mount the EFS drive over here. So first of all, let's check. We'll clear the console, and we'll type in sudo ls-la/. We'll first verify that there is no mounted EFS file system at the moment. So df-k. Yep, there is no mounted file system at the moment, so we'll create it first. Let me clear the console, and basically to support the EFS, even though it's based on network file system, you need to install a package. Okay, so sudo yum -y install Amazon EFS utils. Okay, so this will install the package. As you can see, it is complete. Next, we'll create a mount point. So sudo make dir. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me clear the console, and fire the command again. Yeah, sudo make directory -p /EFS/WP-content. Just name it like this, and we'll create a directory over there. Okay, so after creating this directory, we'll edit the FS tab. So sudo nano /etc FS tab. Okay, so we'll edit this file, and we'll add some line over here, like that is file system ID. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just replace this. We'll put the EFS ID over there. So let me go back to the EFS. Okay. And from here we'll get the file system ID, which is this one. Okay, we'll try to copy it. So I'll paste the EFS ID. Okay, and then you need to put a colon over there, /EFS/WP-content. So this WP-EFS/WP-content is our directory that we created. Okay, then space EFS and EFS underscore. So the space, yeah, EFS underscore net dev. dev.tls.iam. So it's not a dot, it's a comma, and 000 am00. Okay, and we'll save this file. It's Control X and yes. Okay, now we'll mount it. Yeah, okay, the file is now saved. So next step is to mount. So sudo mount /EFS /WP content. Okay, there is some problem. Let me just try to verify the FS tab once more. So this is the file system name, and we are putting file system ID over there /EFS/WP content. Then there is space EFS _ netdev, TLS, IAM 00. Yeah, that seems to be the correct command. Let me just try to figure it out. What's wrong? Yeah, there was a problem in one of the spaces, so I edited this FSTF file again. There was some extra space over there which I removed, and after that I mounted the file system, which worked well. Okay. As you can see, the file system is now mounted. We'll just verify df-k, and as you can see over here, it's showing a mount point. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create a test file over there. Okay, cd and navigate. So what we'll do is we'll navigate to this folder. Okay, cd EFS, and we'll create a test file. apple.txt. Okay. We'll add one demo content as test file from instance A. We'll connect. Somehow the file is not getting saved. The issue was because I have not started the VI using sudo, so there was a file. It was not able to write the file. The file had opened in the read-only mode. So now let's check the contents. Apple.txt. So as you can see, it has successfully saved the file with this content. Now we'll connect to the other EC2 instance, which is instance B, and we'll try to mount the file over there and see if we are getting the same contents over there. So I'll connect to the instance B and do the follow the same instructions like what we did for instance A. So we'll fire the list of commands, whatever we did over here. Okay, so yeah, first of all we'll install this package. Okay, the instance B, Okay, it's done. Next we'll create the directory. Okay. Yep, we'll create a directory. Now we'll have to edit that FS tab file. Sudo nano etc FS tab. Fire the same command in the instance B. Okay, I will add the same content what we had over here. We'll copy the same, do the same process. Okay, and paste it over here. We'll save this file. Yes. Okay, the file is now saved. The next step is we'll mount the drive. Yep, we'll mount the folder, not the file. Okay, so it has successfully mounted the file. Now let's get into this folder. As you can see, we are now able to see the april.txt over here, and this is a test file from instance A. So this is how EFS file system works. It's a network. It's like an NFS system. It's a central system where multiple EC2 instances can connect, and using the process what I explained you can connect multiple instances and have a shared file system across multiple EC2 instances. So that's it from my end. Thanks for watching the video. Do like the Cloud Perspector YouTube channel, and also like and share my video. Also, I would love to see your comments. Thanks for watching.